We wild ass. Ain't nobody out here but me. So, if y'all see a big tree or a tornado lift me up, take me. Tell them I did it for the churn. Okay, we got major tree down. This nice big tree down here. Couple hours we might have a tornado right here. Hold it. I'm riding no goddamn tornado. I don't want no strong wind to lift me up and take me away. I got my seatbelt on. Got golf course flooded with water. Yeah, I'm gonna be safe. Appreciate y'all for showing y'all concern. All y'all over there in that Bay Area, Fort Myers, Naples, Sarasota, Bradenton, Tampa, Port Richey, all over there, Immokalee. Y'all be careful, man. We got a strong wind here. I don't want this bitch to take me over this motherfucking bridge. Ooh. Shit. I'll probably take my ass back home.